Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channel. Today's video is about making a perlite propagation box. For this, take a box like plastic box as you see in the video and put some moist perlite and put your cuttings in that perlite, and because this is the winter time is coming and now the temperature is getting below 40 and next month it will be below 30, so these plants will not survive outdoor, so you have to bring them indoor and put in this perlite. This perlite don't have any nutrient, only the moisture and the perlite, and you can put your cuttings in this box and they will grow very slow because they don't have any nutrient, but they will be available to you for the next season. So this is my kalankoi cuttings. I put in soil, so they have got some root. These I am going to put them also in this box so that they can survive during the winter time. So it is very easy. You can put the cuttings of different plants which you think that they will not survive outdoor. So you can experiment putting their cuttings. Even the uh, woody cuttings you can put without any leaf, without anything. They will also uh, grow the roots and they will also survive. So you can, I have the kalankui so many, then I have geranium. I put these cuttings like 2 weeks before, but they don't get time to have the roots, so I'm just going to put them in this because cold weather will kill them. So in this way you can make a propagation box and you can put your favorite plants cutting and they will grow and you will enjoy by watching them every week. In this box you don't have to give water because the perlite is already moist, and when you will do the final placing of all these cutting, then there is a lid, airtight lid, so you will close that lid and put indoor. You can put in your bedroom or somewhere inside where you have the uh, heating available. So like a 70-degree temperature indoor, they will survive very easily. So you can see that I have put so many cuttings. Now these are some golden berries cuttings. I'm going to put them also. So I put money plant, kalankoi, geranium, and begonias. So whatever you like, you can put, and you can make 2, 3 boxes, and you can store in a stacks, so they will all look good. So guys, I hope you like this video and you will also make your this perlite propagation box. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.